This video is sponsored by Jack and Gadget. Check the link in the description below to know more information. Hey, what is up guys, Kabir, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys some top affordable cases that you can buy for your new Redmi Note 8 Pro. These cases will cost under $4 each. So if you want to protect your brand new device, you can check these cases out that I will show you in this video. You can find these cases in nearby gadget shop or Gearbest, AliExpress or Banggood, etc. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first off, let's check out this soft plastic case that we have, which has a matte feel to it on the back, and also this case is transparent on the back, so you can show off your device as well. So for this one, you can see it has a shade of blue all around the case, so it has a nice look to it. Let's put our device in and check how it looks. All the buttons on the side are exposed on this one, and also the cutouts are precise as well. Here's how the top and the bottom looks here. Also the fingerprint works well. It has some rigidity on the front, so you guys cannot accidentally scratch the screen while using it. Moving on to our next case, we have the Deer case, which is really popular in this price range. Let's check it out. You can see the power buttons and the cutouts are precise on this case, and it has a great texture along the sides to make this case more grippy. Let's check how it looks with the device in it. As you guys can see, it looks really good in the black variant that I have here. Also the back on the device has a nice feel to it with some stitching. The top cutouts are really accurate as well as the bottom cutouts. And also the case has some rigidity on the front, so it is highly recommended. Moving on to our third case, which is the glass case. As you guys can see here, you can find this case on any design you like. I will put all the details in the description below for you guys to check out. This is the Dark Knight glass case, as you guys can see here, which looks really cool. With the device in it, it looks great as well. All the cutouts are precise, and this case is also creepy with the textures on the side as well. Now let's check out our fourth case, which is like the first case that I've shown in this video, and this is in black color as well. You guys can see that the cutout on the back, so that you can attach any strap for more grip of your phone. As this case is transparent, you can show off your color of this device as well, and with the black shade all around the corner gives this case a great look. All the top and the bottom cutouts are precise, and the fingerprint on the back works well with this case. As the sides are exposed with this case, you won't be able to protect your device with this case. So if you want more protection, just skip this one and move on to our next one. And last but not least, we have the Deer case in the black colorway. This looks really good, especially with the black Redmi Note 8 Pro that I have here. All the cutouts are precise as I've shown in this video before. And this Deer case is mainly popular just because of its protection and the sleekness of this case. So that's all for today's video, and if you like any of these cases that I've shown in this video, you can check them out in the links in the description below of this video. And if you have any questions, comment below. So until the next video, peace out.